Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and where to look for physical keyboard shortcut list in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So we can have our physical keyboard connected to the phone, but where to look for options? So settings first. Then in settings we need to go to General Management Options menu. Next we're looking for the physical keyboard menu. Here it is, and we do not have a keyboard right now, but we can look at the options. So here we have list of keyboard shortcuts, show explanations of the keyboard shortcuts on the screen. As you can see here, we have a quite extensive list, and that's basically it. We are only interested in the list. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.